If you do any type of wrecking or deconstruction, the tool inside this bubble wrap is an absolute must-have. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get it out and I'll show it to you. This item is the Crescent nail puller, and it's probably the best $35 you've ever spent if you do any type of deconstruction or taking skids apart or basically doing anything where you need to pull nails. Let me give you a close-up look. The design of the tool is simple. It's got a pincher set of jaws down here at one end with a leverage bar attached to it. These jaws are designed to dig into wood and give a firm grip on anything you're trying to get a hold of. Here's a quick close-up of the tag in case you want to see that. It is by the Crescent company. And the other end of the tool basically just consists of a telescoping handle. So you're going to be asking yourself, how does this work? Let me show you. Here we have a box, which you can imagine could be a stud between a couple walls. That is a 20-penny nail driven all the way through, and that's as much of the head that's exposed. And I'm going to show you how our simple Crescent nail puller is going to extract that for us very easily. We simply line up those pincers until they're directly over that nail head, drive the handle down so they get a good grip. Once they've got a good tight grip on it, very simple. Now you just pry in direction of that leverage bar, reset if you have to. I slipped off there. That's my fault, not the tool's fault. I slipped off. I let the pressure go. But once you get it on there, pry it right out. It couldn't be any simpler than that. Let me show you something else. Here we have another 20-penny nail driven straight through a 2x4. However, this one I cut off, so there's no head to grab onto. How easy do you think this would be to get out with any other type of tool? Let's do it with a Crescent nail puller. Unlike a traditional hammer or claw device, I don't need the head of a nail to get a hold of. Run those pincers tight, put some pressure against the lever, pulls it out just that fast. Even a broken nail or a sawed through nail, it really couldn't get any simpler than that. Just like with all my other review videos, this is an item that I purchased with my own money. I am not connected to or sponsored by Crescent in any way, shape, or form. Hopefully you found the information in this video useful, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.